the BoostedSafe. This locking mechanism in the back. It locks into the car seat attachment. So once we add this leather cover to it, it actually blends in pretty well. Looks kind of cool. Now let's see how much stuff we could actually fit into it, right? So this just flips up, comes right through. All right. So a common question that we get asked here at Boynton Guns is how to safely store your firearm in your vehicle if you have to exit the vehicle, but you cannot take your gun with you. So maybe you are carrying in your vehicle, whether it's on you in your holster or your center console, or it's on a magnet under the wheel, or whatever the case is, and you need to go into a place where you're prohibited from possessing a gun. Federal building, school, going to a bar, whatever the case is. Now, you don't want to not bring your gun with you at the beginning of the day because you know you're going there, but at the same time, not locking it up at all is definitely a risky thing. So I did some research, and I saw a lot of different items that may have looked cool, but they were either, it turned out to be a gimmick until I came across the BoostedSafe. Now, I did a little bit of research. I reached out to the company. Skylar is awesome. He gave me an excellent discount on this so that I can review it. And of course, if this is something that you think would work well for you, you can use our promo code FRANK15, that's my name, FRANK15, FRANK15, to save a little bit on your order. But I only want you to do that if you truly believe that this is right for you. All right, let's take a look, unbox it, and see what this is all about. All right, so we're going to get this going here. All right, so right off the bat, we see some nice, what appears to be leather to help disguise this. Let's clear some of this stuff off here. All right, we have the backup keys. Let's get right into this good stuff. Okay. I'm going to use this nice soft. Aha. All right. So material is real. It's definitely nice. Press here to ensure closing. All right. So as you can see, we have, it's a durable safe. It has some weight to it. You got your key. You got your numbers. You got your biometric part right there. Is that a, looks like a charging thing? Maybe in case the battery dies. So this is the first time I'm seeing it. Of course, I'm going to go through, read the owner's manual. But when I do reviews on things, I like to do it as if I'm the consumer. Like I just, hey, this looks cool. Let me buy it. And then I end up reading through it and testing it out. So we go through, see how big it is. All right, got a nice little, you can open it with one hand. This is pretty sweet. All right, so we have multiple layers of this foam so that you can store something in here, and when you're driving, it's not going to slide around. But if you do need some more space, you can take it out. So, of course, we're going to do some tests with it. But if I just grab the first gun that I see, which is this revolver right here, you can see clearly there's an abundance of space. I mean, we can put multiple guns, but not only that, anything valuable, right? You're going somewhere where you have to leave certain things behind. You can put your wallet, you can put your phone, you can put your guns, you can put, I mean, look at all that. Of course, you might want to keep one here just so whatever you have in there might not move around or get scratched. But I'm actually impressed at the amount of space there is in here. So we have, let's see what else. What else we have? This appears to be a tether that I'll have to see where it goes. Looks like it might go right about here. I'll do my research. Yeah, right about there. So when you close it through, you tether this to a surface. Um, let's say you're not in you're using this at home, right? Not in your vehicle. Maybe latch that onto some sort of fixture so it's not easy to take. Of course, I'm going to read the owner's manual to see exactly how they promote it. This is just how I'm seeing it on the fly. And then, of course, BoostedSafe Elite instruction manual. Everyone deserves to be safe. So I'm going to read through this, and then we're going to test it out in the vehicle. On BoostedSafe's website, they offer two products. The Elite, which is what we're using today for our review. This one retails at $399. Their other product is the BoostedSafe Basic, which is a combination lock. So it does not have the keypad or the fingerprint, and this one is $299. We're going to use the manual key to gain entry into the safe so that we can install the batteries, which will turn the keypad on. The factory default for this will be the first 4 digits in order. And you can see it's pretty cool. We have a little light on the inside. Now it's time to program the fingerprint code. You're going to start by pressing the button on the inside of the safe until you see it blink green. You are going to use the same finger 4 times until you hear a longer beep. We're going to test it out again, and it opens like a charm. So what better vehicle to put this to the test than a high-end, luxury, manly, durable vehicle known as the tactical Subaru? So one of the thoughts when I went to order this was, is it going to fit my vehicle? And the answer is every commercial vehicle sold, or should I say passenger vehicle sold in the United States, 2003 and newer, this will fit. Reason being, you're going to see that we have the latch seats or the ISOFIX. So we have this bar right here that's going to be on both sides, and this connects to the chassis of the vehicle. All we have to do is line those two things up. We put them through, and we hear that click. Now, this is in. I'm hitting this forward and backward. It's not coming. Don't worry, I'm going to give it a little more force in a second. But we're going to press, and there we go. I have what I need. I close it up. They promote it as a booster seat, right? And I don't even have the leather thing on it. And I'm telling you, it ain't bad. Shit, if this thing went into the driver's seat, I'd be sitting pretty. I need to take it out. Let me squat on in here. Look at that. So much room back here. So I take this guy out right here, and now I simply pull that red lever towards me. It unlocks on that side. Same thing as here. It unlocks there, and it's good to go. I can take it back into the house, no problem. So I've seen a video that the company BoostedSafe posted where they had some dude, you know, musclehead, try to pull it out, all right, and he couldn't get it. So I might not be big boy in the biceps, but I have some strong legs. So guy busts through the car, tries to take it, realizes he can't get it, wants to give it a little. She ain't going nowhere. So once we add this leather cover to it, it actually blends in pretty well. Looks kind of cool. Now let's see how much stuff we could actually fit into it, right? So this just flips up, comes right through. All right. So we have 2 guns, full size and compact, with magazines in, 2 spare magazines and a knife, right? But what about our regular everyday items, right? Like our laptop and our phone and our wallet. There's a lot of space in this. and it doesn't take up much space in the car. So obviously, you know, you could use it as a booster seat if you so desire, but you still have some room, right? It's a lot of room in it and still room in the car. So even though if I'm in my car, I'm going to have my gun either on my body, in my console. I know some people that keep it on a magnet near the steering wheel, whatever you want to do. But if I am in my car, my question to myself, because this is the first time I'm testing it, if I do have it back here, as long as it's positioned across, because I won't really be able to get it back here, and you have the correct finger on command, whichever one you choose to, obviously my left hand won't work, then you might be able to reach it. But of course, it poses that thought of, if there's a threat over here, my eyes are not on that. But it is something that, depending on your vehicle, depending on the positioning, you might be able to open it from here as well. Thank you guys for watching until the end of this video. If you think this product will be good for you, you can save 15% by using my discount code FRANK15 at checkout by going to BoostedSafe.com. So I post a lot of content like this: gear review, gun reviews, Second Amendment news, self-defense, everything in between. I post it to this channel. If you get value out of what you saw and you're interested in this type of stuff, feel free to subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. It simply helps the channel grow. And of course, be safe, because you are your own first responder.